Nobel Prize laureate Professor George Akerlof delivered the third Witten Lectures on Economics and Philosophy on November the 20th and 23rd of 2009 at Witten Herdecke University. The appointment as a Witten Lecturer in Economics and Philosophy and the establishment of the accompanying prize are meant to recognize uncommon achievement and outstanding quality in the field of economics and philosophy, widely interpreted to consist of work that has fundamentally changed the way we think of the economic, political, or social order. The purpose of the Witten Lectures is to foster philosophical reflection upon and propose solutions to major economic and political issues. No appointment could better fulfill this purpose than this year's. Professor George Akerlof has been a protagonist in showing how the constructive criticism of core theoretical problems can lead to a fresh understanding and creative solutions to the economic issues of our time. George Akerlof was awarded the 2001 Nobel Prize in Economics along with Michael Spence and Joseph Stiglitz for his analysis of markets with asymmetric information. According to Professor Akerlof, the study of asymmetric information was a very first step towards the development of a behavioral macroeconomics, matching the original spirit of Keynes' general theory, seeking to replace traditional utility-maximizing assumptions with empirical observations from psychology and sociology. The topic of the first of the two public lectures delivered by Professor Akerlof at Witten Herdecke University was precisely the role that these empirical human regularities play in the economy and how they help explain and provide policy solutions for the current economic crisis, what Professor Akerlof and his co-author Robert Schiller have dubbed animal spirits, again echoing the Keynesian economic framework.
A theory of animal spirits then forms an alternative and a more robust foundation for macroeconomics.
Recently, Professor Akerlof has been working on research that explores the relation between issues such as poverty and the identity of individuals that belong to historically excluded minorities. It is on recent developments of his research agenda on the topic of the economic effects of identity that Professor Akerlof delivered his second lecture at the university. The students also held a special session of questions and answers with Professor Akerlof. Their questions ranged from substantive topics on economic policy and philosophical concerns about economic methodology to even on advice from a lifelong practitioner for those who are just beginning to take the path of research themselves. The celebration of the Witten Lectures, delivered in their first 3 years by scholars of the stature of Kenneth Arrow, Thomas Schelling, and George Akerlof, has become a cherished tradition and an avidly awaited occasion for students, faculty, and friends of the Witten Herdecke University to engage together in philosophical reflection about the science and the practice of economics.